In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to analyze a product's best performing videos on Kalodata. Let's walk through the exact workflow you can use to find what's working, understand why it works, and turn those insights into stronger content. Start by opening your browser and searching for Kalodata. Look for the official site in the results and click through. If you're not already signed in, log in so you can access the full dashboard and product analytics. Once you're in, head to the Product tab. Here you can search for a specific item by name or paste a product link if you have one. If you're exploring ideas, use the filters to surface high-potential products. A practical setup is to select items with growing revenue trends and a unit price in the $10 to $80 range. That price band often balances conversion rates with healthy margins. After you select a product, open its detail page. Scroll to the section that lists associated creators and videos. This is where the gold is. Make sure your time window is set. Then compare performance over the past 7, 30, or 90 days. 7 days shows fresh momentum, 30 days reveals sustained performance, and 90 days helps you spot evergreen winners. Identify which videos have driven the most sales in each window. If Kalodata shows attributed orders or revenue, prioritize those metrics first because they tie directly to outcomes. Next, examine engagement signals. Look for videos with high views, shares, and saves. Views tell you about reach, while shares and saves indicate content that resonates enough for people to pass along or revisit. When engagement and sales align, you've likely found a strong angle worth studying. Open the top videos and take notes on what makes them work. Pay attention to the hook in the first 3 seconds, the core selling points, demonstrations, social proof, price framing, and the call to action. Notice tone, pacing, captions, and on-screen text. Look for repeatable patterns across multiple winners, such as a specific problem-solution structure or a standout visual demonstration. When you find videos you want to study more deeply, use Kalodata's export option to download the scripts. Save them to your workspace and annotate them with your observations. Finally, try Kalodata's AI features to refine or repurpose scripts. You can shorten them for different placements, or emphasize key selling points like outcomes, proof, and urgency while keeping your brand voice consistent. That's the full process. Find the product, compare time windows, validate with engagement and sales, study winning hooks and messages, export scripts, and optimize with AI. Follow this workflow regularly to build a repeatable system for content that performs.